Ever try to take a quick selfie but fumble while looking for the switch camera button? There's a faster way. On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can swipe up or down the screen to switch between the front and rear cameras. Let's see how you can enable or disable this option. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Scroll down to the selfie section and then enable or disable swipe up or down to switch camera. If this option is on, go back to your camera. And now you can try swiping up or down and watch it instantly switch between the front and rear camera. So, if you are someone who takes a lot of quick selfies or need to capture a moment fast, enabling the option makes switching super smooth. But if you often swipe accidentally and end up switching cameras when you didn't mean to, you might prefer to turn this option off. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.